How do I get a drumming sponsorship from a drum company? Companies like Pearl, Premier, Zildjian and Sabian, for instance. Want to land a drumming sponsorship with top brands like Pearl, Zildjian or Sabian? In this video, I'm going to break down the key steps you need to take to get noticed by drum companies and secure that dream endorsement. It's about more than just playing well. Stick around to find out what really makes you stand out. Hey drummers, if you've been playing for a while, you might be wondering how to take things to the next level and score a sponsorship from a big name drum company. Whether it's Pearl, Premier or Sabian, getting a drumming endorsement can open doors for your career. But here's the thing, being a great drummer isn't enough by itself. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to position yourself in a way that drum companies can't ignore. But before we get into this, I have a confession to make. I have never been sponsored. You'll discover why as we get into this. So let's dive in. Alright, let's get into the first practical step. Reach out. Start by finding the drum company's address and send your demo package to their artist relations department. This can include a CD, DVD or any video of your playing. Most companies have an online form specifically for artist endorsement applications. Make sure to fill those out too. But here's the key, sending in your demo isn't enough. You need to think about it from the drum company's perspective. Drum companies are businesses. They're here to sell drums. So how can you help them do that? That's the real question you should ask yourself before embarking on the journey to get sponsored. It's not just about how well you play. Sure, if you're part of a big successful band that gets lots of attention, you've got an edge. You have influence. But if you're not in a big band yet, don't worry, you can still stand out. One great way is by having a large student base. If you teach a lot of students, that's valuable to drum companies because you can introduce their products to new drummers. In short, it all boils down to this, providing value to the drum company. Just like with any job, you need to demonstrate why they should choose you. It's about showing that you can help them reach more people and sell more drums. So what's the next step? Head to the website forms I mentioned earlier. For example, Yamaha's Artist Relations page is a great resource. Take a look at what these companies ask for. This will give you a clear idea of what to improve about yourself, your drumming career, and your online presence. Remember, it's not just about playing, you're building a relationship with the brand. Show them how you can help grow their business, and you're well on your way to that endorsement. To help you get started, here are some steps you may like to familiarize yourself with. Here are the key steps a drummer can take to find an endorsement with a drum company. 1. Build your skill and reputation. Develop your drumming skills and play regularly in bands or gigs to create a reputation for yourself. Companies look for drummers with visibility and credibility in the drumming community. 2. Grow your online presence. Establish an active social media presence on platforms like Instagram, YouTube and TikTok. Post regular content showcasing your drumming, tutorials, gear reviews and performances. Engage with the drumming community and increase your follower count. 3. Create a professional portfolio. Put together a high-quality portfolio that includes videos of your performances, professional photos, testimonials from band members or music professionals, and any press coverage or notable achievements. 4. Research potential drum companies. Identify companies whose products you genuinely use and love. It's important to seek endorsements from companies that align with your playing style and values. 5. Contact the Artist Relations Department. Most drum companies have an Artist Relations Department. Reach out via email or use their official website's endorsement form. Include your portfolio, highlight your social media presence, and explain why you'd be a good fit for their brand. 6. Emphasize how you can add value. In your communication, focus on how you can help the company. This could be through promoting their gear in your performances, influencing your audience, or teaching students who might purchase their products. 7. Network with industry professionals. Attend drumming events, clinics and trade shows like NAMM. Build relationships with company representatives, other drummers and professionals in the industry to get your name on their radar. 8. Teach and influence others. If you teach drumming, mention your student base in your pitch to the drum company. Being an educator or influencer in the drumming community increases your value to them. 9. Stay persistent and consistent. Even if you don't get an endorsement right away, keep improving your skills, growing your audience, and building your reputation. Stay in touch with companies and continue networking until the right opportunity comes. All that said and done, if or when your influence in the drumming community at large grows big enough, I am pretty sure the companies may even find you. So be sure to make your mark in the drumming world. So, what's next? Now that you have an idea of the steps to get a drumming sponsorship, it's time to take action. But before you go, don't miss my next video where we dive into a legendary topic, the Beatles songs that feature Ringo Starr's best drumming. If you want to know which tracks showcase Ringo's most iconic playing, click the next video to watch now.